Well, we're here with Scott Grange from Browning with the new Auto 5.
We call it an A5.
Right. I called it Auto 5 because most people, that's what they remember it by. And this is to bring it back to market, but it's not the same gun, is it?
No, it isn't. This is not your daddy's or your grandpa's gun, but we do call it the A5.
Right.
And it's not a long recoil operated system like the old Auto 5 was. This is an inertia system. And folks, since we've had the gas guns, there's a group of people out there who desire an inertia type system. They think they're cleaner and a little more reliable, and we thought, well, we'll give them that. Plus we'll bring back the old configuration and give them a little bit of everything. So we're pretty excited about it. Yeah, it's got a lot of neat features in it. Starting at the rear end, it's got Inflex recoil pad, which is a really nice recoil pad that has some internal geometry in it to direct some of the recoil down and out of your face. We've got the spacer system in the stock to adjust for your height of comb for whatever you need. Moving forward, we have lengthened forcing cones, backboard barrel, new choke tube system, the Invector DS. It's loaded with features. We're pretty excited about the gun.
So the A5 really is new.
It is. It is a new gun, totally a new gun.
Yep.
And you know, if there's any similarities between it and the old Auto 5, it is the humpback receiver.
Right.
Okay, to give the folks that real nice sight plane that they liked in the old Auto 5. And it does employ the two-piece carrier,
right,
which the old Auto 5 had, which gives us the speed load feature. So that's kind of fun.
Can't beat that.
Oh, heck no.
Thanks for your time, Scott. Let's get back to these birds.
Hey, yeah, thanks a lot.